Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some creative crafts or paintings. So first we are making a lotus. So draw the lines using the black marker like this as we are drawing. Now draw the zigzag lines to make the water. Make its leaf like this. Now draw its stem as shown in the video. Now make the leaves on the sides as well. After we are done with this, we will be making a bee or a dragonfly near it like this. Now color it using different colors of your choice and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a girl wearing a frock. For that, we will take different colors on the fingertips and put the dots on the white sheet to make the frock. Now, using the black marker, we will make its hands, neck and its face. Draw her hairs like this. Now make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Color it as per your choice and your girl is ready. Next, we will draw the branches of the tree like this using the brown marker. Now color it as shown in the video. Now we will make the flowers using different color markers. First draw the branches carefully as we are drawing. Now using the fruit foam net, we will take the color on it like this and using the dabbing motion, we will fill the colors over the tree like this. First we will put the red color on it like this. After that we will take the orange color and put it on the top of it. Now you can use yellow colors, make the grasses. Now using a leaf, we will make a girl watching the tree like this and it's ready. Next, we will take a white sheet and draw the lines on the sides. Now make the branches using the black marker like this. Now use the fruit foam net to make the prints on the white sheet using the dabbing motion. Take the orange color and fill it on the sides like this as we are doing. Now put the yellow color in the between. Now using the black marker, draw the birds like this and it's ready. Next, in the white sheet, draw the lines using the green color marker. Now using the clay, make the balls like this and then paste them one by one. Using the green clay, we will make the leaves, make a bird or the honeybee on the top like this and it's ready. Next, using the brown color clay, we will make the lines like this to make the branches of the tree. Now using different color clays, we will make the leaves of the tree like this. Now make the clouds using the blue color clay like this and then press it. Make a ladybird on the side and it's ready. Next, take a green color clay and spread it using the fingers on the white sheet. Now using the stick, press it on the top. Now put a pink color clay. Now take a tissue paper, color it using pink color like this. After that, we will cut it out into small pieces as shown in the video. Now fix them over the clay like this using a stick. Fix the tissue papers properly over the clay. Now using another color clay or the pink color clay, we will make the neck of the ostrich, draw its legs, decorate it and it's ready. Next, we will make small heads using the yellow color clay. Press them on the white sheet like this. Now make their eyes, nose and its legs as shown in the video. Now decorate it as per your choice. You can make some clouds or the sun over the heads and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.